Okay, 1.2. The AWS framework is the foundation of good cloud design. It helps you evaluate your architecture and to build secure, high-performing, resilient, and efficient systems. Each pillar serves a specific purpose. Operational excellence focuses on how you run and improve systems over time. Security ensures data protection and compliance. Reliability keeps applications available and recoverable. Performance efficiency helps you adapt to changing demand. Cost optimization helps you spend wisely and maximize value. And sustainability reminds us to build responsibly, reducing waste and environmental impact. Together, these 6 pillars form a blueprint for architecting excellence in cloud. Okay, bringing this back to Inception. If you recall, dreams collapse without structure. They need rules to stay stable. The same is true for AWS. Each pillar in the AWS framework is a rule that keeps your cloud environment balanced. Operational excellence is about continuous improvement. Security protects what you build. Reliability keeps the system standing when things go wrong. Performance efficiency makes it run smoothly. Cost optimization keeps the design lean. And sustainability ensures that your innovation endures long after the dream ends. Just like bending the city to Cobb's vision, you are the architect of AWS's dream, balancing structure and creativity to build something extraordinary.